Hi friends, and welcome to Tony's Kitchen. So I've started a cleaning series, and today we're going to be cleaning the stove. So let's get started. This is a mini razor blade scraper by Stanley. It was just a couple of dollars on Amazon. As you can see, it is a complete mess. Last night I was boiling a pot of hibiscus tea and it overflowed onto the stove. So I just want to quickly show you how to get rid of this mess. When I tell you it gets the job done, all you do is press this little button, release it, turn the razor blade around, slide it back in, and press the button again. So now we're just going to scrape the residue from the stove. Just kind of use the scraper at a 60-degree angle and just kind of go back and forth across your burn marks. Apply a little bit of pressure on it and just keep going back and forth. Really simple and easy. It's very satisfying. So now I'm just going to take a wet paper towel and just wipe it up. And just go in with another dry paper towel. Now, as you can see, there's a little bit more residue. So now we're going to take the Ceramibrite, just drizzle it on. We're going to use the abrasive side of the sponge to scrub the rest of the residue off. Take another dry paper towel and wipe it off. And whatever residue is left, you can take your scraper to get the remainder off. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the red button and subscribe. It's as good as new.